Welcome to the Scared Garage. It's going to be a short one. I'm going to finish up showing you what I didn't show you last week. Stand by. So damn hot out here. I'm going to have to do something else. But I want to show you. When I did that video, I realized that some of what I did wasn't real clear. So I'm going to try to clarify those things right now. It's hot. We're going to get to the hydraulics another time because it's just too hot. I'm actually shooting this after doing what I did, and I just can't do it anymore. It's too hot. It is stupid hot today. Got water here. Normally you see me, I'm leaning on the truck. I ain't touching that truck. Then we got the tent. I'll try to get a little bit of shade over here. Do a little more on the drum brakes because after I did the video, I see that I probably could have given you a little better thing. Let me see if I can't show you something that works better than that. One thing I didn't show you was I showed you these little horseshoes and these little spring washers, but I didn't show you what to do with them because I wasn't changing the brake shoes. They're a little bit of a pain, but I'm going to do it anyway because I want to show you how this works. So this is your brake shoe here, and this spring right here, this is the emergency brake cable, and that pulls on that to set your emergency brake. So you can take the spring off of this end and get the software to work with it elsewhere if you want. Go ahead, but I'm going to tell you right now, getting it back on this spring is a bear, a real bear. So I don't do that. Now here's what all you got to do. We're going to take this there, and we got this little horseshoe in here, and we got our special service tool again, my pliers. And we're going up in here. I'm just going to try to, basically, I need to spread them. It can be a little bit of a chore. Let's see. Other thing you can do here is this. Like this here. Put this here. And yeah, I'm using my combination ratchet hammer. I don't suggest it, but what the heck, I do it all the time. Basically just want to get that damn thing the horseshoe spread. Here's another way to do it too. Maybe a pair of pliers would be better. So I'm going to put the pliers right on here and right on here. What I'm going to try to do is to get that to push on, off rather. That, alright, now, maybe, I get my screwdriver right in here. Get enough of it. You can get it out of there. There we go. Just like that there. Almost got it off. Almost. Get that off there. There it goes. And that got that off. So this just pops out of there like that. Okay? Now, put there. Take this. And this little spring here, it's a spring washer. See how it's bent? That goes in here. Didn't even have one in here, and that's to keep them separate, keep it tight. Right? Like that. I'm going to go back in there. I'm sure I got that right, I do. Because this should be in here, not in here. This is where this is the part where your where your brake cylinder will go into, and this is where your little crossbar goes. It goes there. Now, put this, push it in a little bit. Putting that washer on the other side, got pressure on it. Bang, pushes all the way up in there like that. Screwdriver, get a little bit more push. There, now it's all the way in. Pliers. Need a little pliers better for this. Come on now. Turn this a little bit. I get to the pliers there. Now I get my pliers right here. And I'm just going to squeeze it, just like that. Like a little more. There. Once you squeeze that down like that, that's not coming out. And now we're in. And that's how that works. I apologize for not showing you that before, but now at least you know. Like I said, it's stupid hot out here. Once I get this together, I'm going to show you exactly how they work, because I noticed the footage wasn't that great. So, let me get this back together. Don't forget the merch. You always know where your 10mm is. Down in the description is a link to my Spreadshirt shop. Check it out, and you can get all the stuff. You get hats and mugs and all kinds of junk. Okay, so check it out. Okay, so I'm going to show you just how everything goes. A little light here because the tent is probably going to cause a problem. Hopefully this light will help. Alright, so if you see this piece here, it goes like this. It is directional, it needs to be up on the top. Alright, then there's your purple spring, there's your red spring, here's your crossbar. And this whole mess goes in here like this. There's your retainer. Down here is your blue spring, which is connected to the adjuster lever, which moves up and down and turns this, which is the adjuster. Move to this side. We get to this side, what we have is purple spring goes on top. That is the little thing that your adjuster cable rides on. Okay, and that hooks on there first, then you put this one and that one. There's your horseshoe. And then that cable runs down here. Let me get you a better view. So, cable, see, comes down and hooks right into the adjuster here, which is hooked into the brake shoe here. And that spring hooks to it, and it goes to there. And that's how all that works. Try to get a good close-up video of this whole thing. There's your brake cylinder, the hydraulic brake cylinder. And that's how this all goes. And then your cable comes down, it wraps around there like that, continues down. There's your retainer. Yeah, that's one of the only ones I have a problem. It hooks right into that adjuster. There's the adjuster. Adjuster, wheel turns. This moves up and down, which moves this to one little notch at a time when the brakes start to wear a little bit, so that it brings it back into adjustment. The spring goes in there. There's your retainer for the shoe. There's your proportioning bar, your equalizer bar that goes across here for your emergency brake. And that there, my friend, is it. I hope this is better. I hope you understand this. These here, right here, here, they will push out, pushing the brake shoes out, and then they'll expand, and then it'll stop the truck. All right, this is going to be just a short one today. It is so hot out here, it's unbelievable. I've done about all I can do out in this heat, so I just wanted to show you how all that stuff works. We'll get on to the hydraulics later. Till then, see ya.